Excellent, this is my favourite bit. I find out I've won. Right, Jose, let's go. Give me the results. Now, did they enjoy them both? Obviously not.
They did. It was very close, actually.
Very close, right?
Very close.
What? Come on.
It was actually Ben.
Oh, get out! Oh, fuck off, will you? Get out of here, you Belgium little fucking gremlin. What do you mean? What's the score?
4-1.
Oh, get out!
Oh,
Are they
that's
all Delia Smith's sisters? What do they say?
Well, they actually like the flavour of the Swiss roll.
Yeah.
But more the classicness of the cake.
It
Went
took
with the
2
classic.
hours in the fucking oven. 4-1.
4-1.
Right, stand up nice and straight.
Sorry.
Yeah, before he delivers the bad news.
They like both of them first.
Oh, get out.
This is good.
However,
Yes.
there is one winner.
One clear winner.
One clear winner.
Yeah, there wasn't
Okay.
up or down. It's one
Yeah.
clear winner.
Bravo.
Oh, get out!
No, shut up.
You're joking,
shut
aren't
up.
you?
Yes.
Off, will you? What do they say?
They said yours is a bit too much.
No,
like
they find the Armour one very authentic, very Irish.
Authentic? You had beef in it,
You had
for God's
lemon in
sake.
yours. When's lemon ever been in
They
Ireland?
just lifted it up a little bit. You fondled my cock, now you beat me in a fucking challenge. Will you do me a favour?
Yeah.
Fuck off out my kitchen, yes? Oh, my God. The time of the night where I get really excited. Right, give me the good news. They prefer hash brown, flaked with haggis and a nice fried egg. Go on. Come on, then.
It's Edith.
Oh, get out. What?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Yes.
What?
It was lighter. Yours, they believe, was a bit too rich.
A bit too rich?
Yes.
And what was the score? 3-2?
5-0.
Oh, for fuck's sake! Get out of here, you Belgian cabbage! That is a fucking joke. The moment of truth has finally arrived.
There is one winner,
Of course there's one winner.
and the winner is... Well done, Al.
Get out! Justice! Fantastic! Are you sure?
They found you too heavy, actually.
They found mine too heavy?
Yes, indeed.
That can't be true.
I'm afraid it is, Gordon. So, well done, Al.
You know when you go outside this door, you turn left by the traffic lights, it's called a job centre.
Good, yeah.
Dear, oh dear. OK, good. They were happy?
Very happy.
Yes, obviously one clear winner.
One very clear winner. I
Yeah,
have to say.
good. Quick, then, come on.
Okay, it's 4-1.
4-1. Of course
Yeah.
it's 4-1. I'm surprised it's not 5-0.
No, it's 4-1, and
Go
the
on.
winner is... Well done.
I'll get it out. I'll piss off.
Of course, yeah. 4-1
no,
for
don't
Ronnie.
be angry, darling.
4-1.
Yeah.
Hey, but
Yeah.
for a fucking linguine crab.
No, but it was the little bit of...
I'll get it out. 4-1.
Well done.
What
Well
a
done,
brave
yeah.
boy. Thank you, Gordon. Oh, my God, I'm crying.
Hey, John Baptiste,
I'm
come back in
crying.
2 seconds. Don't just disappear.
I'm so upset.
Well, what do they say?
Yours were the pasta was too thick.
The pasta was what?
Yeah, too
Too
thick.
thick, a bit too al dente, perhaps.
Yeah, and the,
I'm not
um,
putting words in your mouth.
and the
but
Are you
Feeling-
crying because you're happy, or are you just
crying
sweating?
with emotion.
Crying with emotion. It's extraordinary.
It is.
Yeah, but what? That's what
The
they say.
pasta al dente, it was there, there's a bite to
A
it.
little
Yeah.
bit too al
Well,
dente,
I got
maybe.
beaten
Yeah.
Oh, Gordon.
by somebody half my size and twice my age. Hold on. Oh, God almighty. Oh, God, what's it like over there? Well done. 4-1.
Yeah. Well done, Ronnie.
Oh, thank you very much.
Jesus. God.
Hope your
Good.
job isn't at risk.
Yeah. Well done.
Now, do me a
you,
favour. Yes?
Yeah.
And fuck off out my kitchen, please. Good.
Good.
So, they happy?
Yeah, very, very happy.
Naturally going to be happy. Of course, I look at it, you bloody French knob.
Yeah, 3-2.
3-2.
Yeah.
You got 2.
So the
winner?
winner is
Come on.
James.
Oh, yes!
Oh, fuck off.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So-
3-2 for you.
What?
Yeah.
With that pile of shit?
Yeah, actually, they love it.
Cool.
No salt.
Are you any good at driving?
Seriously, no, don't fuck around, JP.
Are you joking?
Yeah, no. Too strong in flavors.
Beaten by a fucking shaggy tramp
Yeah.
that spent 4 hours peeling his fucking potatoes. I shouldn't be overconfident about, you know, the brownies at this stage, but I have to say, I bloody am, you know that.
Are you?
Because if I lose this challenge this week, honestly...
I've got to say,
I will start liking Angie Roll Thompson. That's how confident I am I'm going to win.
yeah, I think I've had enough of that one. Yeah.
Ali JB.
So this week the winner is...
Yes.
Well done, Sarah.
Oh, get out, will you? Stop pissing around.
Oh, no.
Sarah won.
Yes.
Oh, get out.
I'm really sorry.
the result. You know that. I'm going to go upstairs and see the judges. Where are they? Yeah, I'm glad you find it funny. Just out of interest, I mean, taste that again for me.
Okay.
Yeah, all of you, and then I can start with the lady at the end. Now, tell me what you're tasting.
It tastes bitter.
Bitter?
Yeah, it's got kind of like almost burnt taste to it.
Burnt?
Yeah, I'm afraid
slightly
so.
burnt.
Just look how wet that is in the centre.
In the middle, but you've got to get through the dry outside to get to the middle.
I don't understand it.
Just slightly too dry.
Yeah.
It's...
My liking, sorry.
All three of you can off out of here now as well, yes? Dear, oh dear. Useless. I'm not going to serve it.